Watch the other rod.
Wait, I'm over. Running. Hurry up, come on. Yeah. See him go?
Oh yeah.
Well, whoa, hang on, buddy. 34, there's a diver.
Oh shit, I grabbed it.
That's big.
Nice and easy.
See his tail fin?
Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, he's running.
He's running. There he goes. See him?
Yeah. Here. Right, stay bringing it up.
No.
Oh, reel. Got him. Oh.
Got him?
Oh. Well, that's a nice fish. Oh my god.
Look at the fat.
Jesus. Got it?
Yeah, you like
There's small. Oh, there's a little fish. Oh. A little smaller than the last one. A little too small.
Slow you down. I see him. Oh boy.
Got him?
No. Yes.
Oh, he come up.
Another big one. I'm gonna let you. You got it.